Come test drive the 2016 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, remote power door locks, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.